Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic today that is about quadratic equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find the range of values of k to make sure that this equation has real roots. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we have like this. So this is about quadratic equation. Now we have delta that is about b squared minus 4ac, and we need to one real roots. That means delta should be greater than or equals to number 0. And now we can apply this one goal here. So this one we have 8 equal to k plus 2, b equal to 4k, c equals to 4k plus 1. And now we have this one in here. So we have delta equals to 4k squared minus 4 multiplied by k plus 2. And we have 4k plus 1. Now we need to simplify this one. And we have like this. We have negative 36k, negative number 8. And we have this one. So that means this one should be greater than or equal to number 0. So I will put negative number 8 go to the right. Later that we divide both sides by negative 36, and we have k is smaller than or equals to negative number 2 over 9. So we can write the answer like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.